As I was saying, we'll start with chapter number 9 first, which is tourism, transport and communication. And then we'll move on to graphs. We'll look at all the types of graphs. And then in the end, we will also maybe draw one or two if time permits. All right. Let us start tourism, transport and communication. Talking about tourism in India. We know India is a very, very, very rich country, culturally rich, socially, and rich heritage. We have high mountains like Himalayas, many coastal areas, which also makes it a country where adventure sports is a huge concept. Plus, since we are economically developing, there is also business tourism which is taking place here. Right? So every year, lakhs of tourists visit India, because of which it became important to conserve our surrounding and to conserve the environment, to protect the environment. This type of tourism is called eco-tourism, right? It is being practiced both in India as well as in Brazil. Here, tourism contributes less in the GDP compared to Brazil, but the population engaged in tourism is higher compared to Brazil. All right, this was about tourism in India. Manav, please switch off your video. Thank you. Moving ahead, transportation in India, we have roadways, railway, waterway, as well as airway. Roadway is the most used type of transportation in India, with high density of roads, especially in the North Indian plains. Even railway, if you remember, North Indian plain में रेलवे का dense route है. क्यों? क्योंकि वहां पे फेवरेबल क्लाइमेट है, लोग भी ज्यादा रहते हैं, so obviously the transportation system will be dense. On the other hand, the hilly states of Himalayas, the northeastern state, or the central parts of India, which is Rajasthan, some parts of Maharashtra and Gujarat, here railway is not much developed or very less. Why? Because the population is also extremely less. Airway in India is being used more, especially for domestic purpose. Also, it is very well developed compared to most of the countries in the world. Right? Lastly, talking about waterway, we use inland waterway. मतलब within the country जो हम waterway use करते हैं, that is only 1%. This is an example which I've given here is river Ganga, जहाँ पे internal transport use होता है from Allahabad to Haldia, which is in West Bengal, around 1,620 kilometers. If you remember, river Amazon is navigable from Iquitos in Peru to Atlantic Ocean, more than 3,700 kilometers. Right? Ocean routes in India, it contributes to about 95%, especially for international trading. All right, so this was waterway in India. Any queries here? Perfect. Moving ahead, communication in India. It has a very fast growing telecommunication and electronic media industry, where India is developing its own man-made satellites with the help of ISRO. We know the full form of ISRO, yes? Indian Space Research Organization, correct. Right, so with the help of ISRO, we are launching many man-made satellites. Plus, we are also undertaking a lot of space missions. Time का अगर बात करें, India has one time zone, which is the Indian Standard Time, which is ahead of GMT by 5 hours and 30 minutes. Please make a note of this, everyone. India is 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of GMT by 5 hours and 30 minutes. The westernmost and the easternmost point of India, they have a time difference of about 2 hours, that is 120 minutes. Where the westernmost point is Guhar Mota, which is in Gujarat, and the easternmost point is Kibitu village in Assam. Right? But no matter where you belong in India, we follow only one time zone, that is Indian Standard Time, जिसका longitudinal degree है 82.5 degree east, can also be written as 82 degree 30 minutes east. All right. This is about communication in India. It is given in the textbook, Aditya. Right. Tourism in Brazil, again tourists काफी ज्यादा prefer करते हैं Brazil जाना. Why? Because of the clean white sand beaches, attractive sea coasts, beautiful islands, the orchards, and also the deep dense forest of Amazon, which has various birds and animals. Again here, as I mentioned earlier, since the number of tourists are increasing, ecotourism is also developing at a faster rate. Here, tourism contributes more in GDP, but the population engaged in tourism is less compared to that of India. Transportation of Brazil, most common roadway, जिसका density is more, especially in the eastern parts. If we talk about railways in Brazil, the railways are less developed. Why? Because it has Amazon in the north, it has swampy area in the western and the southwestern parts, right? Because of these reasons, railway is not much developed in Brazil. Sorry. Airways contribution is very less. And waterway ki agar baat kare, there are many coastal rivers that are used for coastal shipping. Then we have river Amazon, which is navigable for 3,700 kilometers. Right, which is navigable between two countries, Peru and Brazil, both. Gia, answer remains the same. That internal waterways are not much developed due to the rigid topography. तो अगर highland से river जाता है towards Atlantic Ocean, then there is a sudden change of height, correct? Which is rigid topography. Plus the sediments are also high. Speed of rivers are, varying. कहीं पे river का speed ज़्यादा है, कहीं पे कम है. So because of these reasons, okay. Any doubt in communication? Sorry, any doubt in transportation and tourism of Brazil? This one, Krish. Done? Perfect. Communication in Brazil, again, very well developed and efficient telephone, mobile phones, internet, as well as satellites. Right here, they are launching man-made satellites with the help of an organization called the Brazilian Space Agency. Although it is also taking help from other countries like China, Russia for domestically made satellites. Talking about the time zones, Brazil, as we know, has 4 time zones, which is behind the GMT by 2, 3, 4, and 5 hours respectively. Now, the official time zone of Brazil is BRT, which is Brazilian time. It is behind the GMT by 3 hours. So, in short, we can say that India is ahead of BRT, or IST is ahead of BRT by 8 hours and 30 minutes. Please make a note of this. IST is ahead of BRT by 8 hours and 30 minutes. Yes, 4 time zones in Brazil because of the vast latitudinal extent. Any queries? Brazil is behind GMT, Aryan. Behind GMT by 2, 3, 4, and 5 hours respectively. Any other queries, anyone? Perfect. Now, let us quickly see what are the types of graph. First, we have simple line graph. Then we have polyline graph. We have simple bar graph, multiple bar graph, and lastly, compound bar graph. I will show you all the graphs also. This is compound bar graph, then multiple bar graph, simple bar graph, polyline graph, and simple line graph. Okay, टाइटल सबटाइटल लिखना कंपलसरी है. पेंसिल से ही ड्रॉ होगा हमेशा ग्राफ एंड मैप. कहीं पे भी हम कलर्ड पेंसिल या पेन का यूज नहीं करेंगे. Scale will be top right corner over here. Okay, let us make at least 1 or 2 graphs now. Let us start with compound bar graph. That is simple line graph, Soham. Sorry, not compound bar graph. Simple graph, bar graph karte pehle. Simple bar graph. Let us start. Okay, here scale, if you want, you can take it as 20, 40, 60, and so on. Okay, let's start. GI had already mentioned Vladivostok is 4 hours 30 minutes ahead of New Delhi. That is IST. This you have to remember. I guess I had mentioned it during the lecture also, but you can make a note of the same. Start drawing the graph, everyone. Simple bar graph. Scale will be here. Right corner. Top right corner. Okay. मोस्टली नहीं आता जी आप. Not necessary, Sharon. Not necessary. क्वेश्चन नंबर के लिए फ्रंट पेज पे सोहम प्रोविजन दिया जाएगा आपको. ग्राफ पे पेन से कुछ भी नहीं लिखना है. Okay, please start drawing the graph now, everyone. Yes. Yes, Rajvi, scale can be taken as 20. 20, 40, 60, 80 and so on. Yes, Aryan. Right side, top corner. No, Dhruvi. If you take two boxes as 20 centimeter, फिर आप लिखोगे 1 centimeter is equal to $10 million. Scale is never written as 2 centimeters. Scale will always be 1 centimeter. Soham beta, I've already mentioned it 5 times at least. Scale will be right hand side, top corner. It is not compulsory, Harshil. But अगर आप 2 box लेते हो तो the graph looks neat. Yes, Dhruvi. No, Sujit, no. Yes, Soham. But right hand side पे रहेगा. Deforestation means cutting off trees so that people can live. Once you're done, let me know. Yes, Harshil. हाँ देवांश. यस राजवी। हाँ आदित्य, इसलिए मैंने बोला ना 20 आप ले सकते हो स्केल। Done everyone? No Soham. No. Can we move ahead? Next graph. Okay, let's make multiple bar graph. Multiple bar graph. So here, since we are not using any color, you can make symbols. So population engaged in tourism को अगर आपने lines draw किया bar के अंदर, contribution of tourism in GDP को plain रखा, I leave it up to you. Accordingly, you have to mention that over here in the legend. Okay, please start. No सुजित, no. 7 है ना, 7.8 आपको मार्क करना ज्यादा मुश्किल नहीं होगा. Yes, Keshav. Title, subtitle is the first thing that we draw on the graph. Not necessary, Divya. No, no, not necessary. Yes, Sujit. Let me know once you are done. Aryan, once you are done with this graph, I will show you all the graphs and you can take the screenshot. No, Rajvi, draw as it is mentioned here. Yes, yes, you can. यहाँ पे ना years नहीं आएगा. Here you will write countries. Here you will write countries. Let me know once you are done. Yes, Harshil. Yes, Keshav, there is no problem. Let me know once you are done. Sure, Soham, no problem. Done in the next 2 minutes. Once everyone's done, I will again show you all the graphs. That is the different methods of graph. Please take, if possible, click a picture of it so you can see it for reference. Yes, Rajvi, sure. Done? Okay, I'm showing you all the graphs now. This is simple line graph. Okay, this one is polyline, also called as multiple line graph. Then we have simple bar graph, multiple bar graph, and compound bar graph. I hope you all have seen all the graphs. This is compound bar graph. This is multiple bar graph. Then simple bar graph, polyline graph, and simple line graph. Yes, yes, Aryan, yes. Yes, Sujit, you can. No, Survi. Okay. If you have any queries, you can post it in the chat box. Yes, Harshi. Not necessary to start from y-axis. You can leave that and start from the next. Yes, Soham, you will have to. Any queries? No, mostly तो नहीं आता. I have already sent the pre-lecture worksheet. Harshil, I hope you have solved that. It is more than enough. No, Keshav, no. All right. All the best for your exams, everyone. Study well. Attempt your prelim exam sincerely, which is starting from 15th of February. And submit the papers on time. Any queries you all have for geography, you all can get in touch with your respective branch head and they will connect with me for the same. All right. All the best, everyone.